This fall, during our informational campaign, we want to make sure that our voters are informed about the November 4th facilities bond proposal. But at the same time, we want to take the opportunity to show our appreciation for your support for almost a decade now. We think it's best that you hear firsthand from members of our staff about the impact that your support is making on our students each and every day.
At Hamilton Parsons Elementary, our new music room is part of our new specialty classroom addition where rhythm meets creativity. Your support of the 2021 Facilities Bond has driven a purposeful, step-by-step transformation of our schools. Now, as we near the finish line of our long-range facilities plan, we can proudly look around and say, this is what transformation looks and sounds like across performing arts programs at all levels.
From the classroom to the stage, the November 2025 bond proposal will continue to expand the whole student experience. With upgraded and renovated music rooms across the school district, students will have environments they need to inspire them to reach their full potential in the classroom, on the stage, and beyond.
Our students are the future of Romeo, so don't forget to exercise your right to vote on November 4th.